Hello guys, welcome to another grand interesting video on your behavior channel, and in this today's video we are going to understand fluid components. Okay, so this is our part 3 of the video. We have already created 2 parts on it, that is part 1 and part 2. Our part 1 compromises of understanding fluid component, that is fluid generators. If you haven't watched our video, you can watch that video. I will give you, the link in the description. Also in the I button, you can get that. And our part 2 is on, understanding the properties of fluid tank, which we use in, fluid simulation, different types of, stuffs which we can do using fluid tanks and how the connections are supposed to be set up. All these things we have already understood in our part 1 and part 2, where we have completed fluid generators and fluid tanks. In this today's video, which is our part 3 of the fluid simulation video, we are going to understand about mixers and how the stuffs are supposed to be mixed using this mixture, how we are supposed to go to connect these two different entities and transfer the materials using mixer properties. So this mixer component is available by default in fluid simulation library, which you can see here. We have here fluid mixture, and now in this video we're going to understand about it in detail. Okay, so before we start, I would like to request you to kindly subscribe to our channel Be Aware, where we will be bringing out about the training modules related to process simulation. Currently I'm working for Flexsim, and we are going to bring in future lot more different tools and their related trainings on your behavior channel. We have also brought content related to personality development videos on our channel. We are bringing videos related to industrial engineering and technology related stuffs. So I hope that you all would be enjoying the content available at our Be Aware channel. So we have also created a website for you, that is behaviorchannel.com, where we bring in top-notch blogs which you can read, stay updated by reading the blogs, and you can groom your skill sets by reading the blogs which are available on our website. So we basically serve in domain of health awareness, personality development, technology, ankylosing spondylitis. We have a lot of stuffs where we bring in blogs, and these blogs, guys, are related, released daily just for you. So do not forget to visit our website behaviorchannel.com, and I would like to request a very small thing from you, that is, please guys, hit a like to our video, do subscribe to our channel, and share these videos with your friends, because we are bringing multiple support under single roof, that is Be Aware. Okay, so let us start our today's video on part 3 of fluid simulation, right? So this is a mixer. You can see this. The mixer is the available library in our fluid simulation. Here you can just drag this up, bring it here, and you're going to get that stuffs here. Now the model was running and I have dragged it in, so that is the reason it has thrown me an error. So this way you can drag in the mixer. Now let us click on the mixer. The properties which you could see here are some of the properties which are available at the top itself. So you can see the statistics out here, the input output current, and the state time for the mixer. If I run this, you're going to see the stuffs related to different things out there. So if you could see that, now here you can see the statistics for the mixer. The input is 170, and now the output has been started. So now let us understand in detail our properties, which you can double click on this mixer, and then you will be able to see that. So I'm just stopping the model, double clicking this, and here arises the mixer properties. So when you see here, we have mixer properties. Here you can see we have a target product ID. Now this target product ID is supposed to be just like a label which we have in our discrete event simulation, where we have labels assigned to the tokens and the boxes. Here, if you could see that, what we have mentioned is, here we have input port details and here we have output port details. Now what I would like to tell you that this mixer is taking inputs from all these three things. So it is taking the inputs from the fluid tank, it is taking the inputs from RMFR1 and RMFR2. So we are getting three ingredients into this mixer which are further going to get mixed up and it is going to go ahead. In this tank, if you see, we have three inputs coming from all these three generators. Those are stored at this tank. Now we are just having almost total 5 things going in this mixer. I'm going to mix it. Therefore, if you see in the input port, I've mentioned here 3 as the maximum total input rate through all ports. Okay. And this is my maximum total input rate through a single port. So if you see, I've set this up to 3. That means that my maximum total input rate from a port is going to be 1, because my maximum total input is 3. So maximum total input from a single port is going to be 1, even though I mentioned it 3, because my maximum inflow has to be 3. If I am not getting anything else from other, then I would be getting maximum as 3. But this is the maximum input rate from a single port. This is maximum rate from the total port. So this is all about what the fluid mixer should have input. So welcome to our website beaverchannel.com, and you can see that we have a lot of educational content just for you. So the specialized content we have is discrete event simulation support, then we provide you industrial engineering training, then we have lectures for you, and then we have blogs which are literally going to groom your skill sets and your knowledge. Then we have a very important aspect of our life, that is health awareness related stuffs on your Beaver channel. Okay, so here is our booking online appointment tab. So in the home you will get the tab where you can book online appointments for if you want the Flexsim simulation training, you can book it here. If you want the support related to simulation projects, that might be industrial simulation projects, then you can book and take an appointment from here. We will be discussing on that into this. Then if you want a support related to creation of 3ds model files which you can import in your simulation for better visualization, we have that in here. You can book the appointments from here. If there are any simulation project support for engineering students for their educational purpose, for their educational projects, if they need support on, then we are there to support you. You can book your appointment from here and we can have a thorough detailed discussions, and then we can take ahead the plan of how it has to be done. Then if you want the customized simulation model for your industry simulation projects, for your engineering projects, we can provide you customized simulation modules. So to know this in detail, book appointments now. There are very limited slots available, and it's the fastest thing you need to do is book online appointments. Then if you could look at, we are India's first and only simulation channel. We have our YouTube channel available. We have a dedicated playlist for simulation tutorials, modeling tutorials. We have a playlist for industrial engineering related stuffs. You can visit our YouTube channel from this, and do not forget to subscribe, like and share. If you want to know about us, it is available here. Here we have our scheduled events. These are the upcoming events across our Beaver channel. So it might be our YouTube channels, it might be our websites, it might be blogs. So you will get a detailed info at the scheduled events, and you can check our services here for detailed and more informative thing. So I've taken you through our home page. So we have a dedicated simulation page here. You can explore here. If you want any support in, you can reach out to us from this, or you can book the appointments directly, because if you're going to reach out to us from here, we are guiding you to book the appointments indirectly. So you can directly reach out to us by booking an online appointments. Then we have the training classes here. If you want to opt for a training classes based on subscription, we also have option for that. You can visit and purchase that. Then we have the modules, in specific modules which you can buy, and those modules you can use in your industrial projects or your engineering projects. Then we have have an engineering tab where we bring in the content related to industrial engineering, synchronization of different technologies, and the sync between simulation and industrial engineering. So there's a lot to explore in this industrial engineering domain. Then we have also brought you personality development tab, where we bring the content which can groom your personality, help you develop, upgrade your skill sets in a journey of job and career upgradements. So we bring a lot of exciting topics onto this. These videos will be released on our website first, and after 2 weeks of time, these videos will be released on a YouTube channel. So it's better you visit our website daily to get recent updates. Then we have personal finance tab, where we support you for managing your finances, so that you are building a wealth with a strong financial background. So the foundation needs to be strong for financials. So this is a tab where you can explore our content, where we share our views, we share in tips which can help you manage your finances. These all things you will be getting in engineering. We have the best to the class blogs available, ranging from simulation technology, then different types of technologies, industrial engineering, finance, personality development. All these stuffs you will be getting in a form of blogs in here. So we upload blogs daily. Visit our website behaviorchannel.com to get maximum out of it. And then we have health awareness tab, where you could look into. We are going to have a lot of exciting stuffs related to health. We are still working on this, guys. We need your support. Give us a like, share, and subscribe, because we are going to bring a lot of exciting stuffs which you will not get anywhere available to top-notch quality. So here you see we are bringing in health-related blogs which are dedicated so that you live a healthy, stronger, and happy life. We have organ-related tips here, ankylosing spondylitis support we provide in, and you can contact us in here. So this is an overall high-level journey for our behaviorchannel.com for services like simulation, engineering, personal finance, personality development, blogs, health awareness, and many more. It's like having multiple things under one umbrella. So what are you waiting for? Do not forget to visit our behaviorchannel.com website daily, so you groom yourselves, upgrade yourselves, and stay updated. So thanks for this, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and visit our website behaviorchannel.com. So see you in the next video.